Hello everyone, this video I would like to thank Shanthi from SHANTHI'S Lifestyle for motivating and asking me to collab with her on this video. I hope y'all enjoy my cleaning routine for my bedroom. At this time, I would just like to give a shout out to my sister's hair company, journeycollection.com. If you're looking for quality hair, this is the place to go. Now at this time, I like to use the Arm & Hammer carpet freshener. I like to put it down to give the carpet a good scent before I vacuum it. This concludes my very first clean with me. Please leave me a comment to let me know what you thought about the video. If you have not subscribed yet and you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.